If you want to go outside, we can open. Okay, you can open and you can go out like this here. If something problem, fire problem, and we can run away this side. So we go to. I'm showing how to go outside. Go like this, and here. Yeah, you can go outside here. Easily. You can find here. You see the lot of things. And if you want to go outside from here, you can go easily. Everything. Radhe Radhe. How are you? Okay. Okay, so I'm coming from the outside here. This is the 4th floor. Okay, I close this, everything is closed and lock it here. I live in New York City. I'm going to show the New York City how do we live in the apartment. So I'm showing my apartment. So this is my main door. I'm always going to outside for this door, and I'm showing everything in my apartment. Okay, first I show you. This is the fan. When in the summer season, we use this fan. Okay, so I'm showing another thing. This here is on dumplings. Sometimes I do exercise. Okay, and we have here weight checker. Sometimes every day I check this weight. How is it? And I have one computer desktop. This is my son computer. We have here sofa set, and this is our decoration tea table, and this is the blood pressure machine. I have a blood pressure sometimes, so every day I check up my pressure. And this is the computer, and this is the TV, and this is my daughter room. This is the safety room. So I am going to show you the daughter room. It's very nice and clean. She makes always clean and neat and clean. She have the table and the bedroom. This is the AC, this chair, and she hanging the clothes here. And I'm going to now the kitchen. I'm showing the kitchen. Okay, come. Okay, I'm showing the kitchen. This is our kitchen. This is the gas. How to use gas? I show you. We start here automatically from the gas. Okay, we have 4 gas here, and this is a tap for drinking water. If you do like this is going to cold water, and if you turn here, it's going to hot water, like a boiled water. And this is our kitchen room. We have here refrigerator, and this is the oven here. And I always pray the God. We have a temple here, a small temple. You see the temple here is our God, the Laddu Gopal, Radha Krishna. This is Shankha, Basuri, and this is the Mayur. We have a Rudraksha Mala, we have a Tulsi Mala, everything. And this is a tea table actually, and this is the dinner table. But nowadays quarantine, so we keep the stuff here, lot of stuff. So I put here the one aloe vera tree in the window. We can see outside here from here. And this is like stuff we have the vegetable. I'm going to now another room, the main room. Bedroom. I'm showing you a bedroom. Okay. This is a bedroom. We have here makeup kit, and this is we have a piano. This garage, the bedroom, and this is the AC. We have a heater also here. So it's the bedroom inside. I'm showing you the bathroom. Okay, this is table. This is a laundry bag. You see here laundry bag. Okay. And the closet are here, 2 closet inside the bedroom. One is that one. This is the Neeraj bed, this closet, and this is mine. Yeah. You can see here. And another closet, I will have here a lot of closet here and here. And I'm going to show you the bathroom here in the New York City. What kind of bathroom? You can see easily here. And we have here in the steps for the wash the hand and everything. This is the hot water. If you want to over here. And this is the bathroom, and this is our bathtub. So this is our bathroom. So you. I can show you. Come here. If you want to go outside, we can open. Okay, you can open and you can go out like this here. If something problem, fire problem, and we can run away this side. So we go to. I'm showing how to go outside. Go like this, and here. Yeah, you can go outside here. Easily. You can find here. You see the lot of things. And if you want to go outside from here, you can go easily. Everything. Radhe Radhe. How are you? Okay. Okay, so I am coming from the outside here. This is the fourth floor. Okay, I close this, everything is closed and lock it here. Okay, this is my living room and I participate here and my daughter living this room. Okay. This is our refrigerator. We have a milk here. This is 4-liter milk. In the refrigerator we have like this. You can see here, and this is a frozen section. We have here frozen also. Like a biscuit. Sometimes we make the frozen item here like ice cream. Okay, this is our apartment. Usually we live in New York City like this apartment. So we will come here, main door. So if you want to go outside, you can go here from the stage. We have a stairs here, and on the exit side here, and you can stairs here. So if you want to go to the elevator, we have elevator here. So this is the elevator. And this is the garbage can. When the recycling goes, this is the recycling. You can open and recycle. This is press one. Okay, that one is the elevator. You can go easily elevator. Okay, this is the elevator. So you can go here, just the bottom here, and you can go down and out. We have a camera here. Main door.